What do you think of child sexual abuse?
I think it's something that hasn't been spoke about properly.
Yep.
Everyone knows about it, but not everyone talks about
Talks
it because
about it.
everyone's like embarrassed to talk about it.
It's really bad and it shouldn't happen. And there are laws against it, but the people need to change.
People need to change.
Yeah.
And people need to be more vocal about it.
Yeah, I know. I think people are vocal about it in urban cities
In urban
and
cities.
not in rural areas as much.
I think it's a terrible thing
It's a
because
terrible thing.
I think it's quite sick. I mean, you should not look at child like anything sexual.
It's something that happens more than we can imagine.
Yeah.
And it's terrible because it causes damages that sometimes
Especially mental level.
mental damages that will follow the child forever.
This should be reported,
It should be reported.
and the one thing it should be that the children should be friendly with their parents.
Parents. They should be open to their parents.
Correct. मतलब कैसा होता है कि मतलब वो सोचता है ये तो कुछ गलत है. That's why they don't speak.
What do you think is the major cause for this abuse?
Wanting to have sex.
Wanted to have sex, you think?
We are sexually suppressed. This
Sexually
entire country is
suppressed.
sexually
Sexually
suppressed. We have never been intelligent enough, or we've never been taught the right way to deal with sex.
I think it's their mentality. I think it's a mental. I personally think it's a mental health condition.
Health condition.
You have to be mentally not well.
They're just desperate people. I think everybody who has a mental sickness is not evil or not bad. They just didn't get the perfect and the
Perfect
good
upbringing,
caring and
yeah.
upbringing.
First thing, India is not sexually open like that.
Sexually open, yeah, very
so
true.
सबके लिए like sex is a big
Big word.
big
taboo.
word, big taboo कि भाई ये गंदा चीज है.
गलत
तो उन लोग चुप चुप के करते हैं. Either most of the men are not open about
Men
it.
are not
They feel कि हम लोग किससे नहीं हो रहा है बाहर
नहीं
तो
हो
हम
रहा
लोग घर से ही किसी के साथ
घर
करें.
से ही किसी के साथ.
Humans have natural needs, and the more you suppress and you say, okay, no sex unless it's marriage and stuff like that, and meaning what? You're gonna be punished if you don't follow the rule. So the more we apply punishments to restrictions, the more people will, we say that
Become rebellious.
Yes, we say the more you squeeze a banana, and the more the banana will go out.
The more you
through
try
your-
to control us, the more we get out of control.
And out of control.
What are the signs that you get to know a child is or has been molested in the past?
He will be very quiet.
Quiet.
He won't be speaking much. किसी नौकर ने अगर कोई molest किया तो he won't go with him. He won't speak to him.
Speak to him.
I know because my mom is a psychologist, and
Okay.
she says that you can tell if a kid for example, at 8 years old is not clean yet, like can't go, by himself, by herself to the toilet.
If someone tries to touch them, they kind of shy
Yeah.
and they're scared. Or
They're afraid of
they're
humans.
afraid of the human touch.
आपको क्या लगता है कि उस इंसान पे या उस बच्चे पे उस टाइम क्या बीतती है और जब when he grows up into an adult क्या फ़र्क होगा उसकी सोच में जिसके साथ ऐसा हो चुका होगा?
वो डर बैठ जाता है and बहुत इनसिक्योरिटीज बहुत बढ़ जाती है लाइफ में कि बचपन में आई डिड थिंग्स व्हिच आई नेवर न्यू एंड देन लेटर दैट आउटकम और कुछ हो
चाहे
जाता
उसकी
है.
गलती भी नहीं है बट उसके मेंटल पे इतना इम्पैक्ट करेगा.
शायद उसको पता भी नहीं था कि क्या हो रहा है. दैट वाज द मेन थिंग.
I think that when you're older, I think it affects a person deeply from a young age.
Young age,
I think maybe when you're younger, you don't understand as much.
Yeah.
I think it'll affect you, but I think when you're older, you come to understand what the situation
And
is.
that affects your mentality
Yeah,
and the person you
absolutely.
become.
Yeah.
I
What do you
guess when children are small, they may not be very aware of as to what they are going through.
When that
but surely at that point of time, they must be traumatized.
Traumatized.
And once they grow up, they get to know about them. It's definitely going to leave an impact on their
Impact.
minds.
They will have a wrong picture about sexuality, and
Yeah.
maybe even if they get the chance to speak about it sometime or something, they will still have a wrong picture
impression.
about it. And also they will be maybe afraid of everything. They
Yeah.
will turn into themselves.
They would get into the dark side of their life.
Yeah,
है ना?
exactly.
We learned it in psychology actually that if a child doesn't deal with it properly, it goes into denial.
He might also do with others also कि मेरे साथ हुआ है कि उसके
मेरे साथ हुआ है तो मैं और तो वो एक रिवेंज और रिबेल की भावना आ जाती है.
Correct.
The child grows without affection, without emotion, like
The emotions are gone.
exactly. They don't have compassion anymore. The thing is that it damages in the whole construction of the child.
So the survey says 8 out of 10 victims know their abusers, and those abusers are within their family, relatives, teachers, and their domestic health. But still, such incidents are not reported. Why do you think so?
Because it's hard to talk to your parents about it when your parents don't even bring out the topic.
And most of the people who have done it are your family only.
Yeah, so it gets more awkward.
More awkward, and maybe people think ki don't spoil the family relations, so keep it in yourself.
Yeah.
And that grows on the child maybe.
Yeah.
Because if it's a family member,
Yeah.
then you don't want to get that family member in trouble, I suppose, because they're supposed to still family. Like, even though it's whatever they feel is horrible.
It's like take a case of rape, right? It's a human, it's an adult human being, and they will maybe never speak about it because they feel shy and oh my god, this happened to me, I can't speak about it, this is so bad. And also the thing is, many times these cases never come to the surface because like sexual abuse for child happens home. So mostly the dad or mom does something, or the uncle or auntie, they will never speak about it.
People don't want to talk about it also because there's this whole thing about respect, no? And all the adults, forget anybody, the people who are like mostly senior citizens, they have taken an advantage of it, almost. Like just
Teachers
because
are
you're-
doing it.
Correct. If I am senior citizen, if I am an adult, you are bound to respect me and let me take advantage
Whatever
of that.
I do to you,
Correct.
to a
Should
child,
not be questioned.
what are the ways do you think we can prevent this abuse from happening? Because it's a major concern.
I think all the prevention comes that you have a good family background, you can speak openly with your family or with your friends about everything. And on this word, like, I mean, sexuality is the part of our life and people just take it wrong and families hiding it, they don't speak. And that's how we get wrong information. And I think also everything should start at the family, not in a school and not in other communities. I think all families should educate their child.
Telling people not to do it, changing their mentality,
Changing
teaching
the-
them in school. That teaching children actually that this is what, like, say no,
Say
run
no.
away, hit the person.
I think he should be allowed to have more sex. Yeah, with
More
like
sex.
go out there, let him get over that urge.
What do you think should be the punishment for a person who's found guilty of abusing a child?
You should not live on this beautiful world if your brain is so sick.
I guess at least 5 years of imprisonment.
Either imprisonment for life sentence or hang.
Hang till death.
Yes.
Indonesia, they have come with a castration.
Castration.
Yeah, I guess that should be done in India.
Castration होनी
Yeah.
चाहिए.
सीधा खड़ा करूंगा और आँख खोल के गोली मार
आँख खोल के गोली मार.